Hi everyone, this is a really quick video to show you how to rearrange the position of graph and labels in the chart axis. So over here, if you can see, the orange is 2023 and blue is 2024. So I want to switch it easily to show the 2024 first, then only 2023. So this is the graph that I have prepared. So what you do is click on the chart, right click, select the data, right? Then over here, just select the year, right? Then there's a arrow button, so just click and click on it to go to so that 2024 will show after 2023. Then if you click up again, yeah, it will rearrange again. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.